Hey tech enthusiasts, ready to earn money while you sleep? I've got the top 5 passive income apps of 2024 that will have you waking up richer every day. Let's dive right in. First up is BlockDAG. If you're into crypto, this one's for you. With BlockDAG, you get 25% referral rewards, plus you can stake your tokens and join daily buyer battles competitions. It's an easy way to get in on the action with tokens at just $0.0019 during pre-sale. Check it out at blockdag.network. Next, we've got Acorns, the app that makes investing effortless. Acorns rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. Plus, with over 3,500 cashback partners and found money rewards, it's a no-brainer for beginners. Head over to acorns.com to get started. Now let's talk about Honeygain. This app is the ultimate in passive income. Just install it on your devices and you can earn $20 to $50 a month by sharing your unused internet. It's literally money for doing nothing. Payments come in PayPal or crypto, so set it and forget it. Our fourth app is Step, perfect for anyone who loves cashback and banking combined. Step gives you 5 to 10% cashback on purchases and offers banking services right from your phone. It's a great way to manage your money and earn some extra cash while you're at it. Lastly, we have Pawns.app. This one's a double whammy earned by taking surveys and sharing your IP. You can easily make $5 or more with minimal effort. It's perfect for those little pockets of free time throughout your day. So let's recap. For crypto rewards, head to BlockDAG. For easy investing, try Acorns. Want truly passive income? Honeygain is your go-to. For cashback and banking, Step has you covered. And for surveys and IP sharing, check out Pawns.app. Ready to start earning while you sleep? Links to all these apps are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep earning. Final screen.